Hello, my name is Erica Drost, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist at Torrance Memorial. The theme for National Nutrition Month this year is Fuel for the Future. We are looking at choices we can make now to have a positive impact on our health and at the same time supporting the health of our planet. One thing we can do to nourish our bodies and promote sustainability is to choose more plant-based options at our meals, such as grains and legumes. When we think of grains and legumes, we may think of things like rice and oats or black beans and chickpeas, but there are many more varieties to choose from. To help us learn more about how to prepare some of these more unique grains and legumes, we have Executive Chef Sam Sellona. Sam, what grain have you chosen for us today?
Erica, so we have chosen amaranth. Amaranth is an ancient grain that is similar to quinoa. The small, light tan colored seed is cooked similarly to rice and oats and eaten as a pilaf or part of an entree. Amaranth is actually a seed that acts like a grain with nutty, slightly earthy flavors. The flavor is mostly mild, which makes it nice for sweet and savory dishes.
Amaranth is a naturally gluten-free whole grain that is high in fiber and protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete plant-based protein. Sam, can you share how to prepare this grain?
Sure, Erica. In a medium pot, add 3 cups of vegetable broth and bring to a rapid simmer. Add amaranth, bay leaf, and salt. Then lower heat to a slow simmer. Place lid on pot and cook for 25 minutes. Stir occasionally. Check for texture. Amaranth should be fully absorbed and tender. Remove from heat, let it stand for 10 minutes. Stir it in chopped oregano, parsley, and olive oil. Cooking tips. Immediately after cooking, leave the lid slightly ajar to release excess moisture. The texture should be slightly creamy.
Thank you. It looks delicious. Let's move on to our chosen legume, Adzuki beans. Adzuki beans are a type of bean grown in East Asia that are typically small and red. Adzuki beans contain upwards of 29 different antioxidants, making it one of the most antioxidant-rich foods you can eat. The fiber and protein content in Adzuki beans have been shown to promote heart health, decrease risk for diabetes, and improve digestion and gut health. Chef Sam, can you help us prepare Adzuki beans?
Sure, Erica. Adzuki beans. In a large pot, add 8 cups of vegetable broth and bring to a rapid simmer. Add Adzuki bean, then lower heat to a slow simmer. Place lid on pot and cook for 45 minutes or to an hour. Stir occasionally. Check for texture. Adzuki beans should be fully absorbed and tender. Remove from heat and let stand for 10 minutes. Season with salt and pepper. Cooking tips. Adzuki beans are small and quick to cook compared to other beans like black beans or chickpeas. No soaking is required before cooking them.
Great! If you want some more inspiration to incorporate more grains and legumes into your diet, check out the resources listed here or visit our website for more ideas and recipes. We hope you enjoyed this video about nutrient-rich grains and legumes, and we hope you can try new grains and legumes or simply aim to add more plant-based foods into your diet to help you fuel for the future.